to IKEA. Which is good. Cute. So I'm gonna look for any nice pillow. English today. Ito ko ang alog ng outfit for today. Bilal. Nice look inside. Nice. Alright, so still here in IKEA, pretending to be rich and pretending to be buying something. But problem is I don't know where's the exit. Alright, so we're almost at the exit. I think this is it. Exit check out. Yes, checking out. See you soon. Thank you. Alright guys, hello fans, or hi guys, welcome back to my vlogging. And now the question is, asa ko ni park? Manang, asa man to the beach? Asa man ko ni park the mark? Kita na ko kana siya o kana. Yes, see, doon ako siya ni park. Kanya ang akong kuan. Look at that. Hello gang, Jesus loves me. Mara kong lahi na ang lighting. Dili na tong guwapa. But it's okay. So, yan ka. Daghang salamat ninyo mga kuan, mga fans. Char. Suntukan ka ni. Or madukol. So, daghang salamat og sa sunod natong panag-uban sa atong singalan man. Estefania Vlogs. Wow. Bye-bye.